Okay, everyone, what I'm going to do is show you how you can go in and view your test submission so that you can do that before you make a second attempt on the quiz if you would like to. So you can go under Assessments right here, under Quizzes, and then choose Test 1. Once you choose Test 1, click on Submissions. And you will have to launch the lockdown browser in order to see that submission, and it should show you the problems you answered incorrectly if you'd like to look over those before you take another attempt at the test. Another attempt at the test is optional, but you can choose to or not. Now, when I click this, I'm probably going to lose everything because it's going to launch the lockdown browser. I don't know if you'll be able to see the rest of this or not. But that's how you find it. So I'll click Launch Lockdown Browser, and it will take me in to look at my missed questions. Okay, so it won't let me do that for now, but that's where you go. Thank you.